Hey, what's up, friends? Thanks for stopping by. Okay, so I'm going to actually focus this on mailbox cash opportunities since I'm a part of a few different mailbox cash opportunities, but you can use this for any affiliate program. You can use it for online, offline business. If you're a chiropractor, realtor, you can use this for any business. I'm going to show you guys how you can get your hands on this cell phone funnel. If you're tired of promoting on Facebook and social media and you're just not getting any leads or people in front of your business and you don't want to spend that time of, prospecting on Facebook all the time to get people in front of your offer, then don't go anywhere because I want to show you guys how you can get your hands on this funnel. I've been a part of this funnel since 2016, and you can use a phone number just like this one. See the number 360-298-9617. That's a phone number. You can promote any affiliate offer or any link, 3 links with a phone number like this. And I'm going to show you guys how you can get this just for a small, it's basically just a few bucks to get your hands on this. There's no monthly fees, and you can promote your mailbox cash opportunity. Put your business on steroids, guys. You can use a phone number like this to promote your offer, and you can use that on classified ads, drop cards, flyers, social media, sticky notes. I mean, the sky's the limit. Any way you can share a phone number, word of mouth is the most powerful way to advertising yet. But if you want to put your mailbox cash opportunity on steroids, you can get your hands on SMS phone leads for just a one-time $37, guys. There's no monthly fees, and you're going to get a phone number just like this one, and I believe they give you 200 credits. There is some upsales on there. There is a $10 upsale that basically just gives you more training on how to share the offer on social media. And there's some different offers on there, and that's totally optional. What I'm here to share is actually just the phone number, because this is gonna put your business on steroids. And like I said, I've been a part of this since 2016, and you can use this for any business. It captures the cell phone number, the email, and the name of the prospects, I'm basically just saying the people that are looking at your offer. So if you want to put your mailbox cash opportunity on steroids, SMS phone leads is just a one-time $37 to get a phone number. There's no monthly fees, and you could share this cell phone funnel itself and earn $37 commissions over and over. So it doesn't have to be with other people that are in mailbox cash opportunities. It can be any affiliate offer, MLM, brick and mortar, whatever business they are. You can use this phone number to share Facebook pages or blogs or anything like that. So a one-time $37. They use SMS Phone Leads uses Stripe Pay, so you can connect Stripe with your bank account, your prepaid account. I use it with my NetSpend card. It's a prepaid 7-Eleven MasterCard. I've been using it for years, and I've had tens of thousands of dollars going through that card. I've had no issues with it. But use Stripe to connect. These are the upsales that are on SMS Phone Leads, but I'm initially just kind of sharing this phone number because you can earn 100% commissions with this phone number, and what I'm sharing this video for is you can put your mailbox cash opportunity on steroids or whatever you're doing, guys. It doesn't have to necessarily be mailbox cash, but this is an affordable phone number. There's some of these programs are offering the same thing, and they're charging you, $100 to $300 to $400 for the exact same thing that this is offering. SMS Phone Leads. It's a one-time $37. You can go out and share it and earn $100 commissions, or 100% commissions, excuse me. So check that link out in the description, guys, or you can call the number, test it out for yourself. I have the number sharing mailbox cash opportunities, 360-298-9617. But check the link out in the description. That's how you're going to be able to get your hands on SMS Phone Leads. They always have some cool promotions and monthly contests in SMS Phone Leads also. And there's a lot to offer in here. You can get mobile leads for very affordable prices. There's a lot of cool stuff and a lot of cool training going on in the inside. It only takes a few minutes to set up too. So at that. Check it out, guys. If you want to put your business on steroids, your mailbox cash business on steroids, then definitely go down to the link and check it out. All right, guys, I'll see you on the next video. Peace out.